Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, we need to check for updates for your earbuds, and to do this open Xiaomi Earbuds application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu. You need to scroll down and go to update firmware, but you need to sign in into your account, because without it you cannot check for updates or update your software. Now tap at this line, and if you see this information, it means that you have the latest version, and if you haven't, you will enter inside and you can update it, and I recommend it to do because this one can fix this problem. Next step, if you haven't new updates or update didn't help you, I recommend it to put your earbuds to the charging case, close the case, because we need to perform a soft reset. Now your earbuds disconnected from your phone, and then you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. And also after that, check it. If this method didn't help you, I recommend it to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Inside of the case we have connection button, and you need to press and hold this button until the LED light on the front side start blinking orange. So press and hold, firstly it start blinking white, don't worry, it's okay, just enter to pairing mode, just keep holding the button. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pairing device at the top if your phone have this button, because not all Android phones have it. And if you have iOS, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return to the Bluetooth. But right now on iOS 26 it don't work to just turn on and return here, but we need to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Then you tap at your earbuds, because after factory reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. And then check it. If it also didn't help you, I recommend it to fully charge your earbuds. Put it to the case, close the case, and fully charge your earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.